Are you ready for today's drop? Can you see it? Maybe you need to get out your Sightglass to view, you know, like Sightglass. Hello, fellow Drops fans, fellow fans and coffee lovers of the internet. My name is Haley. I am your local resident Q grader here with a delicious washed Kenya from Sightglass coffee. Super clean, super bright, everything that you would expect from a Kenya and more. Let's get into the recipe. So first, I'm using 22 grams of coffee in to 350 grams of water, so about a 1:16 ratio. I bloomed at 50 grams and then I broke bloom just now at about 36 seconds I was finding on my dial. I poured up to 150 grams. I'm now going to pour up to 250 grams when the water level goes just a little bit lower than it is now, and then I'm going to swirl, so agitate after that third pour about 5 times, kind of gently, and then I am going to finish at 350 grams. I ground at Ode with SSP burrs at a 5.2. That's about a 4.2 on Ode Gen 1 and about I don't know what I just said. And about a 3.2 on Ode Gen 1. So kind of medium course. After the water level goes down, remember this is my third pour, so I'm going to agitate about 5 times. And yeah, I'm brewing at 205 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's all the recipe. Let's get into why this coffee is so special. So, as I mentioned, it's a Kenya Karimikiu AA. It's from the Kirinyaga area of Kenya. It's a washed Kenya, super clean. Washed Kenyas tend to be characterized by just an incredibly, like a lot of brightness, a lot of crispness, but also just no cloudiness in the body at all. It is a mix of SL28 and SL34 varieties, and it was grown at 1,600 meters above sea level. We're super excited to bring you this coffee from Sightglass. Stoked to feature another San Francisco local in the coffee scene. As always, it is easy to order this coffee from Drops. All you have to do is text us back the number of bags that you want, 1, 2, 3, 10, however many, and we'll send them to you. If you don't want coffee this week, don't text us back and we won't charge you or send you any unnecessary coffee. We'll just text you back the next week with another wonderful suggestion. Please don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments in the comment section. We love to hear from you. I'll be looking through those comments. Thank you so much for joining me this week, and I will see you next week for another Brew Guide video. Bye, guys.